Welcome to eVOLVINGmALE.
Charger Dent Edition.
Charger?
I'm at Challenger.
Shut
Shut
up.
up.
Know what she drives. Challenger Edition. So, she hit a pole yesterday. Slid into the pole where it parks going almost 0 miles an hour, and she slid into it, dented the side of this, which is pretty awful.
Let me see the dent.
So, we're going to see if we can pull it out. I don't think it's going to work. I just
Yes,
tried and it didn't work.
Pretty bad.
But, what the hell, right?
Yeah, I think bringing the big part out is gonna bring the... Better get the big daddy, big papa. Ooh,
A little bit.
some. I think that little one's not gonna work because of that crease. Can you slide it up? I mean, the paint's gonna have to be fixed regardless.
I can't get it pulled out. It's just not going to pull that dent out.
What if you reverse fix it? There you go, that's what I was talking about. Oh.
Nope. I took some of it out, but that's it.
It did.
It's not going to take this hard crease out. It's too...
Keep trying, you don't have anything to lose. Oh, did I let you
It's
out?
killing me.
He dug out. Again.
Bad baby.
It's just not working, babe.
You know, you always see all them commercials about how they
Yeah, they
pull it out
lie.
with
This
a...
is the problem, this
Maybe
seam.
boiling water.
Yeah, boiling water. Want us to boil some water?
No.
Can we just try it just for fun?
It's just not... This is a hard...
I know, babe. I know 99.9%. I know 100% sure you're right. But can we just play with it? Just
I got
go.
stuff. Whatever.
We'll do it. We don't need you to do it.
We'll put up our own YouTube video.
Yeah, we'll do our own
Stealing this footage. by the way.
evolving
Will y'all shut up and let me work?
evolving woman.
Yeah, she becomes a man. Start out laughing.
Yeah, I'm about to mash you in between the legs.
Can't get to it.
Yeah.
Man, that's so paper thin. That's ridiculous.
Oh, it won't suction.
No.
Boo! It won't suction.